Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to search in Shein by code. Searching in Shein by code is a very important feature that everyone should learn. So first of all, open your Shein app. Now find any item that you want to get the code of. Simply tap on it. Now you have to tap on share. Now you have to tap on copy link. In any notes app, paste the copied link. And there you have your code. Copy that and now go back to your Shein app. Now all you have to do is paste the code in the search bar. And now you have your item. And that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification icon to get notified every time we upload the videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.